Kwa humasoni enkodi enkomo Dr. Jonathan Asante wachade ewo University of Cape Coast na yenhwe so far processes ene baby a ndisi amonyoko no abedru no de toto ho asai na ono ankasa ni nchemu ne ntiase ne sede enema esi ekono wo ho no. Dr. Otre ma hen yeda sese afre wa woje yenso.
Ya mani aba na chwa mjezo.
Yenhwe yerim se ndisi amonyoko no o mafa processes ne nyina mu se o mayo mo flag bearer so far. Sade yakọ ye no assessment to say.
That was minchi Adom TV for na ewie. Am say omo etimi eyi omo pen from bedi omo nim for the 2024 elections no. Our quite paso am say adia na eso nipa especially ohwe senior na some areas who are very hot spots no. They were able to circumvent and motimi and making sure say near was say Odi anaso win no we win the delegate take decision. So by and large we share near CDR I'm say because democracy is a according to kunum NDC. I think so far so good.
Yenhwe na mampanyi da dan sama hodo bi odi twudwa ba kwa na ye focus on na yes for say aban hwe na omo ntro mo handing over note sanse omo twom time 2024 or take it over. Are Ghanaians really eager for change?
Well, I think so. If you ask me, that change in the Ghanaians are indeed looking for that. As I said, it is not even my idea. It is based upon science. All the surveys are ABBA report, surveys are ABBA from 2020 down up to this point. All these things point to the fact that party a war position is likely to win. And you can talk of Afrobarometer, you can talk of CDD, you can talk about global info analytics, and then lately, economic intelligence unit, so they only have a peso. So it is only someone who does not understand the dynamics of politics. No, but today now, so it is just that they will have to put their act together and ensure, say, more division. No, anyway, we share the overwhelming mandate, the emphatic victory. Mahama, actually, say, if there is any division in power, I am very infinitesimal. I addicted to AB, and therefore they can easily iron out those things. Apart from that, you would like to meet MPs of Mulusi out. I think that in itself is also to ensure, say, at the parliamentary level, which can also affect presidential win. We will make sure, say, divisions can be considered the campaign where now they should nip all of that into the bud. Then they take on board grievances, because that is the way I prepare resolute way from the ground and the grassroots to be able to catapult you to the national level. But the winning elections, the predictions may come, but the one and 2 years based upon that disunity and the division can affect your chances at the national level.
As at the time, our doctor before withdraw a nomination, so and I said the candidate channel, we were say about too late, none in 4 years work. So then, so what's what I said, one shut down, Kobiasa, until we say, free with free more and shut down, calm and your coolness, only a moyadri and I still no more or Monsieur.
Well, politics is about numbers. Even the minority within the majority, they are still important. And it's no shame more. Yero Kojobon so Edin Kanka say he's ready and willing. The 2024 main objective. Mr. Mahama himself has called upon all of them, and I think that Yero Dufonso so can be even before the withdrawal and say is ready and willing to ensure say the party wins. Unfortunately for the Dufonso, so as you rightly pointed out, his presence or absence wouldn't have made any significant change, or it could have brought any significant effect on the elections. In fact, withdrawal, I would say, someone no more grassroots, and so they really wanted to send a strong warning, not only within the party, but without the party itself, and that is the MPP. Because we shared before the 2016 elections, the victory Akuffo-Addo, that resounding victory, sent shivers down the spine of the NDC, because it showed, say, they have given overwhelming support to Mr. Akuffo-Addo. And that is the more reason why Konya shout to me, Abraham, chairman and general secretary, maybe Fata, they still went ahead to win the general elections in 2016. So a similar thing, a similar trend is happening now. So there is that train, an express train coming. You come before it, you are crashed. You just have to join that train so that you'll be part of what the whole of Ghana area they intend to do.
Dr. Ochre, that's to say we are able to waje so. Ebusia Dr. Jonathan Asante Ochre lecturer UCC Nansem Kronwa Mono. Yes, I am quite maso. Ye kwa kujira Richard Ahiagbani, who is Director of Communication at MPP Amonyo Kono. Richard Mahey. Yeah, we are home de Yensaka Richard Diana Nebeto Chonkomoni, Busasa, Yabia, Penida Dasam Wakai, say Aban your soon starting preparing handing over notes no, or Musomu say, Sanity and answer breaking the 8 no, Ekoswa Agenum.